What's your name?
Bernardo V. Escaril III.
How old are you?
6 years old.
Okay. We will talk about the Philippines. Your favorite country. So, give me some places at Luzon.
Laguna, Maynila, Rizal, Apayao, Benguet, Zambales, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pampanga. And I know! Masbate, Albay, Santa Rosa, Santo Cruz, Kalinga, Bontoc, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, San Carlos City, Zambales, Nueva Ecija, Maynila, Marikina City, Valenzuela City, Paranaque City, Las Piñas City, Bacoor City, Binangonan City, Rizal, Los Baños City, Mindoro, Tingloy, Mindoro Occidental, Boracay, Marinduque. Next naman.
Give me some places at Visayas.
Leyte. Where you ex? Where?
Yun, sa Leyte.
Southern Leyte. Northern Samar. Southern Leyte, Samar. Next, Iloilo, Antique, Aklan, Kalinga, Bacolod City, Cebu City, Bohol City. Next naman,
What are the... give me some places at Mindanao.
Lanao del Norte, Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, Arm, Basilan, ano ba, Holo, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, Compostela Valley, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao City, Zamboanga, Sibugay, Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga City. Next naman.
What are the places at NCR?
Marikina City, Maynila, Patero, Taguig, Paranaque, Las Piñas City, Santa Rosa, Santa Cruz, Marikina City, Valenzuela City, Caloocan City. Next naman.
What are the places at Calabarzon?
Antipolo, Rizal, Los Baños, Laguna, Batangas, Quezon, NCR pa lang, Quezon City. Quezon, Antipolo, Binangonan. Next.
What are the places at Central Luzon?
Central Luzon, Bulacan, Zambales, Nueva Ecija, Bulacan, Zambales iba. Next naman,
What are the places at Cagayan Valley?
Cagayan Valley, Corinio, Cagayan, Isabela. Next naman,
What did I ask? Cagayan Valley ba yun?
yeah.
What are the places at CAR or Cordillera Administrative Region?
Apayao, Benguet, Baguio City, La Trinidad, Kalinga, next naman.
What are the places at ARM?
Basilan, Maguindanao, Lanao del Sur, Hulo, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Next naman,
What are the places at Region 4B?
Mindoro, Palawan, Puerto Princesa City, Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro. Next naman,
What are the places at Region 6, Western Visayas?
Aklan, Iloilo, Antique, Bacolod, Bacolod City. Next naman,
What are the places at Region 11 or Davao Region?
Davao del Norte Cap. Huwag mahulog yan.
No.
Compostela Valley, Lanao del Norte, Lanao del Sur, Davao City, Davao del Sur, Davao City. Next naman,
What are the places at Region 5, Bicol Region?
Catanduanes, Albay, Sorsogon, Iloilo Islands is Region 4A. At Region 4B is Mindoro. It's color blue.
It's very good. Done?
Yes.
What are the places at Region 13, Caraga?
Caraga. It's Caraga.
Caraga, sa Region 13, yung sa Mindanao.
Anong color?
Dark brown.
Dark brown. Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur.
Done? Okay, this is your favorite. What are the streets at Greenwoods?
Diamond. Citron, Nara, Ipil, Banahaw, Mulave, Banaba, Pine, Bulawin Bend. Ano next? Greenwoods Avenue, Mimioso, Willow, Pine, Willow, Mimiosa, Almond, Duckwood, Redwood, Macedonia, Palmos, Huyo, Yemney, Brentwood, Baslam Loop, alam mo sa what happened sa Angel's Burger?
What happens to Angel's Burger?
Nasunog.
Are you done with the streets?
Yes. Citron, rose, like that. Cottonwood, maple, mulberry, palmetto, tupelo. Next naman.
No questions. It's done.
Bye!
You're so good. Very good. I love you. Bye.